Hey guys, this USB stick has an AI agent inside it, and I'm not talking about some basic chatbot. This is OpenClaw USB Portable, a fully portable AI coding assistant that runs directly from a USB drive. No installation and no complicated setup. You just plug it into any machine and it just works. You can even access it directly from Telegram, so your AI assistant is always available from your phone too. And the best part is, everything travels with the USB itself. Now watch this. I just ran OpenClaw setup on Windows, and it works perfectly. I can even access the AI directly through Telegram. Now I unplug the same USB drive, plug it into a Mac, open the dashboard, and everything is already there and working. Same chats, same setup, and same AI agent. And it works the same way on Linux too. One portable USB drive, and your entire AI setup works across Windows, Mac, and Linux. And portable means literally portable. Nothing gets installed on the host computer. You unplug the USB, and everything goes with it. No leftover files and no background services. Also, this multi-platform portable setup took a lot of time and AI tokens to build. So hit subscribe if you enjoyed this. It really helps a lot. Alright, now let me show you how to set this up. Let me start with Windows setup. Mac and Linux users should also follow along, because most of the setup is exactly the same. First, plug in your USB drive. If you want this setup to work across Windows, Linux, and Mac, format the drive as exFAT. And if you do not want to use a pen drive, that's fine too. You can run this from any folder on your SSD or HDD. Now open the GitHub repo link in the description. This is OpenClaw Portable, and it contains all the setup files we need. Everything is completely open source, and you can also read the README file for more detailed information. Now click on the code button and download the zip file. Once it is downloaded, move the zip file to your USB drive or any folder you chose. Then extract it there, and you can delete the zip file after that. Now open the folder and you will see multiple files, but just ignore everything and focus only on start.bat for Windows and run.sh for Linux and Mac. If you are on Windows, simply run the start.bat file. As soon as you open it, it will automatically download portable Node.js, extract it, and then install the OpenClaw setup. This only happens the first time, so just give it a few minutes to finish. Also, installing OpenClaw can take up to 20 minutes, so just let it run. You can press L to view the logs or H to hide them. So let's wait until the setup is complete. And yes, our OpenClaw portable setup is now installed. And as you can see, everything is running directly from the USB path. Now let's set up our AI agent. Press 4 for tools, then press 1 for full setup, and hit enter. The first launch can take some time to load OpenClaw, so just be patient. The setup has now started, and since we want everything to run directly from the USB drive, I'll select local. Now use the arrow keys to choose your AI provider. I'll go with DeepSeek because it's cheap and really powerful. Now let me enter my DeepSeek API key. And for the model, I'll use DeepSeek V4 Pro. Next, we'll connect this setup with Telegram, so select Channels and hit Enter. From the list, choose the Telegram option. And while that's loading, let's quickly create a Telegram bot. Open Telegram and search for BotFather. This is the official Telegram bot used to create and manage bots. Here, click on Create a new bot. Now enter a name for your bot, then choose a unique username that ends with bot. Once created, you will get bot token, just copy it. Here, choose Enter Bot Token, and then paste your bot token. After that, just continue with the default options. And finally, select Continue, and the setup is done. Now let me close the setup and run the start.bat file again. This time I'll choose the dashboard option. This will open our OpenClaw setup directly inside the browser. Let me wait for it to start. And yes, the gateway is now running, and the access token was automatically copied to the clipboard. Let me open the browser and paste it. And there we go, our OpenClaw portable setup is fully working. Now let's test if it's working or not. I'll just send a simple hello message. The first response may be a little slow because everything is still loading. And yes, it's responding perfectly. I also tried sending a message from Telegram, but it's not working yet, so let's fix that too. First, Let me close the running gateway and re-enter the bot token from the full setup menu. Let me quickly do that. And yes, the setup is ready now. Let's try Telegram again. And there we go. We got the pairing command. Now close everything and rerun the setup again. Once it opens, choose option 5, then paste the Telegram pairing command and hit enter. This will approve and connect the Telegram bot properly. Once done, choose option 2 or 3 to start the OpenClaw gateway. Now let's send a message on Telegram to test it. And yes, it's responding now. Let's see if it has access to the whole PC. I'll ask it to summarize my local disk C drive. And yes, it's responding. You can also see the live thinking messages while it works. But once the final output is ready, those thinking messages get deleted automatically. And there we go. We got the full summary of the drive, and the temporary thinking messages disappeared as well, which means the setup is fully working now. Alright, now let me plug the same USB drive into a Linux machine. Here is the exact same USB folder. Let me open the terminal here. Now run this command, bash run.sh. The first time it will download portable node.js and OpenClaw for Linux, but we do not need to set up OpenClaw again, because all our configs are already stored on the USB drive. So let's wait for it to finish. And yes, it's done. Let me check the OpenClaw status first. And as you can see, our DeepSeek setup is already here, and Telegram is also connected automatically. Now let's start the gateway. I'll go back and select the dashboard option. And yes, our setup is ready. Let me quickly ask from Telegram which OS it is running on. And yes, the Linux setup is working perfectly. It says it's running on Ubuntu 26, which is absolutely correct. Let me ask another question here to summarize the root drive folders. And there we go. Our summary is ready here too. Alright, now let's try the same USB drive on Mac. I'll plug in the exact same pen drive, open the folder, and launch the terminal here. Now run the same command, bash run.sh. Just like Linux, the first run will download portable node.js and OpenClaw for macOS one time. So let's wait for it to finish. Now let's start the gateway and open the dashboard. I'll quickly run it and open it in the browser. And yes, our Linux chat history is also showing inside the dashboard here. But to start chatting on the new system, we just need to create a new chat first. Let me test it quickly. And yes, it's working perfectly. Our DeepSeek API setup is working on Mac too. Now let's check Telegram as well. Let me open it. I'm going to ask the same questions for the Mac setup too. First, which OS are you running on? And yes, it's working perfectly. It says macOS Darwin, which is correct. Now let's also ask it to summarize the root folders of the Mac system. And there we go. The summary is ready here as well. So yes, the exact same USB setup is now fully working on Windows, Linux, and Mac. Same AI agent, same Telegram bot, same chats and settings. So yeah, that was OpenClaw USB Portable, a fully portable AI agent that runs directly from a USB drive and works across Windows, Linux, and Mac. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.